So this video is going to be pertaining to the push-up. The push-up is a great chest exercise. It attacks your upper pec and your lower pec depending on your hand width. The closer you go to the when doing a push-up, the closer it attacks the inside of your pec. The wider you go, the more it attacks your outer pec and your lower pec. Okay, the push-up, it's a perfect beginner exercise, whether you do it the correct way or a beginner way. I'm going to be showing you both ways. Remember, either way, if you start the beginner way while using your knees, over time, you are going to get stronger. It's a proven fact. You're going to get stronger, and then you could do it the regular way. Okay. So let me demonstrate the beginner way. Remember, I'm filming myself by myself, so take it easy on me here. All right, let's see. Got a good angle. I'm putting you guys on my couch. Okay, beginner way. So, put your hands about shoulder length apart. You see how I have my knees? We're gonna be staying on our knees like so. Staying on your knees. If you cannot perform the push-up while like this, okay, you see my legs? I'm basically like standing on my legs. Well, not standing, but like leaning on my legs. If you cannot perform the push-up like that, perform them on your knees like so, okay? So how are you gonna do it? It's like a regular push-up, but you're gonna be on your knees. So you're gonna go down, up, down, up. You don't want to touch your face to the ground. Just, just go like a good amount down. Say about like this much. Push yourself up, down, up, down, up. Rep ranges depends on your strength level. Okay, just do as much as you can, but not maxing out. Have like 3 in reserve. You know what I mean? For example. So for example, if I'm gonna have 3 in reserve, I know my max is around 20. That's my max. So I'll do like around 17. I'll take like a little minute break, and then I'll wait till I get my strength back, and then I'll go up to 25. So usually I do sets of rep ranges of 25 and then 5 sets, somewhere around there. Okay, so that's the beginner way and how to do it. You have multiple ways to do the push-up. What I mean by that is hand placement. So you have your standard width length, and you can even go wider, what's going to attack more of the outer chest, and then you have your diamonds. Diamonds are more for the advanced person that knows how to do push-ups. You got to be way stronger to do diamonds. It's more difficult, but it's going to attack more of that inside portion of your chest. Okay, I'll show you an example of a diamond. Okay, I'm not really that great at diamonds. I do have elbow problems, so that's why I really don't perform the diamonds too much. So same thing, you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I don't know if you guys can hear my elbow cracking, but yeah, it's cracking every time I go down. So that's the diamond push-up. Okay, so now I'll be recording. I'll let you guys see me do my my push-ups in general. So what I like to do is I have this pull-up bar right here. It's a pull-up bar. It's great. I highly recommend it. It's you could do pull-ups, kind of tricep dips. Not really. It's not tall enough. You could do wide range, regular range, kind of diamond in this, but it doesn't really feel too comfortable. Okay, we're just gonna do our regular push-ups. You could get these like at Big Five, Walmart, Amazon. Nowadays, you can get stuff anywhere online. Okay. So, let's see. Can you see me? Okay. So, rep range, like I said, my rep range is probably going to be 15, where I'm almost going to be maxed out. Okay. Here we go. Remember, nice and slow. Control your push-up. You don't want to be going. Okay, that's not how you're not gonna attack the muscle like that. Okay, you wanna feel that mind-muscle connection. Oh, you gotta install that in your head. Mind-muscle connection. You have to feel the muscles working and activating. That's how you know you're working out the muscle. See how I'm feeling that mind-muscle connection? I'm feeling my chest working out. I think that was like around 13. Okay, I'm a little bit out of breath, I'm not gonna lie. So like I said, I'm gonna take a little break. I'll take like a minute break, and then I'll do the remaining reps till I hit a 25, and then I'll do 5 sets of those. That's just me though. Okay, this is like my I think it's my 3rd week working out, so I'm kind of getting back into the rhythm. I'm not fully there yet, but my body's becoming a little bit accustomed to it now, so I can do more sets. I could do more sets than previously. Like when I barely started working out, I did like 2 sets. And then the week after, I bumped it up to 3. The week after that, 4. Now I'm at 5. So in this mesocycle, what I mean by mesocycle is this period of exercises that I'm going to be doing for maybe like, let's just say 3 months, 4 months. I'll do the same exercises, and then after, when that mesocycle ends, I'll do a little deload. I won't work out for a couple days, let your body recover and all that stuff, and then I'll implement new exercises in the mix just to confuse the muscles, and we'll go from there. Woo! I'm out of breath. Kind of hot. Just got out of the shower too. All right, let's do the rest. So I would think I was at 13. So I have 13, 12 more. All right, ready? Go. All right. All right, so that's my 25 right there. And then, like I said, I'll do 5 sets of that. The push-up, it's a really great exercise. It focuses on a lot of your chest, your arms, your biceps. I think your shoulders and your triceps too. It's a good overall exercise. So always keep that on your one of your go-to exercises when you're at home working out. Woo! And breathe. Well, anyways, guys, if you have any questions about the workout, let me know. Put some messages in the comments. If you want to talk about something or working out or whatever the case may be, please let me know. I know I'm not in the best shape like I used to be, but at a time I was pretty not cut, but I had a little bit of size on me. So I wouldn't be talking about something I don't know. Okay, guys, you have a good one.